Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Gen Z English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Paul. Great to have you here again.
Today's topic is something everyone needs in real life: ordering food in English.
Yes, exactly. Whether you're traveling, eating out, or just grabbing a coffee, you'll need these phrases.
And knowing how to order naturally makes you sound confident. Plus, you'll never feel lost in a restaurant again.
Before we start, please subscribe to Gen Z English and like this episode. Your support really helps us keep creating fun, easy English lessons every week.
Thank you so much. Now, let's get started. So, Paul, what's the first thing you say when you enter a restaurant or cafe?
The first step is always greeting. You can say hi, hello, or good morning. It's simple, friendly, and polite.
Right. And if you need attention, say, "Excuse me." That's the polite way to call a waiter.
Yes, never shout hey or wave your hand too much. Just a calm excuse me works perfectly.
Then you can ask for the menu. "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Could I have a menu, please?"
Both sound natural. Always include please. It shows good manners.
Exactly. And once you decide what you want, you can use "I'd like" or "Can I have?"
For example, I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Or, can I have a coffee?
Nice. "I'd like" is a bit more formal, and "Can I have" sounds more casual. You can use either one.
Let's do a short sample conversation. A. Hi, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? B. Sure. Would you like a drink with that? A. Yes, an iced tea, please.
That's perfect. Polite, clear, and short.
You can also ask for recommendations. What do you recommend? Or what's popular here?
That's helpful if you don't know what to order. And if the menu has unfamiliar items, ask, "What's this?"
Exactly. Don't feel shy. Asking questions helps you learn.
Another important phrase is "for here" or "to go." You'll hear this a lot.
That means, do you want to eat in the restaurant or take it away? You can answer, for here, please, or to go, please.
Great tip. And if you didn't hear what the person said, just ask, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Or, could you say that again slowly? Both sound polite and natural.
You can also ask, "What comes with that?" Or, "Does it include fries?" if you want to check what's included.
And if you have food preferences or allergies, say, do you have vegetarian options? Or does this contain nuts?
Yes, that's super useful. It's always good to communicate clearly about what you can or can't eat.
Let's give a few more examples. Can I get a small latte? I'd like a large pizza. Could I have the same as that one?
All natural. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say, "I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Thank you."
Please and thank you, two simple words that make your English sound kind and confident.
Let's quickly review. Greet politely, say "excuse me," use "I'd like" or "can I have," and don't forget "please."
Those are the golden rules for ordering food in English.
Exactly. Once you get comfortable with those, everything becomes easier. So, Anna, what do you usually order when you go out?
Hmm, I usually order a salad or pasta, and always a coffee.
Same here. I can't start my day without one.
Sounds like we both love coffee. Maybe we should do an episode just about coffee phrases.
That's actually a fun idea. But first, let's continue with this one.
Right, in the next part, we'll learn what to say after ordering, how to ask for extras, deal with mistakes, and pay the bill politely.
Yes, that's coming up next. Keep listening. you'll be ready to order food like a pro in English.
So, Anna, we already ordered our food. What happens next?
Usually, the waiter asks, "Would you like something to drink?" That's your cue to order a drink.
Right. You can say, yes, I'd like a Coke, or just water, please.
And if you don't want anything, say, "No, thank you." It's short and polite.
Sometimes they'll ask, would you like still or sparkling water? Still means regular water, and sparkling means with gas.
Oh, yes, that's a common one in restaurants. I usually choose still water.
Same here. I'm not a big fan of bubbles in my drink.
Then, after you order, the waiter might ask questions about your meal, like, "Would you like fries or salad?" Or, "How would you like your steak cooked?"
Exactly. That second one can confuse learners. How would you like your steak means how much it's cooked. You can say rare, medium, or well done.
Let's explain those quickly. Rare means red inside, medium means a little pink, and well done means fully cooked.
Good explanation. And if you're not sure, you can ask, what do you recommend? Or which one is most popular?
That's always a good idea. It makes a conversation friendly too.
Here's a short example. A. Can I take your order?
B. Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken.
A. Would you like fries or salad?
B. Salad, please.
A. Anything to drink?
B. Just water, thank you. Perfect. Short sentences, polite tone, and easy to understand.
And if you have allergies, it's important to say, I'm allergic to, for example, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Or, does this contain dairy? That's great if you can't eat milk or cheese.
And if you don't eat meat, say, do you have vegetarian or vegan options?
Yes, those phrases are super useful anywhere, and they show that you know how to communicate clearly.
Once you've ordered, the waiter usually says, thank you, or your order will be ready soon.
Then you wait, and here's a little tip. In English-speaking countries, it's polite to be patient. Don't call the waiter too quickly.
Right. If you need something like an extra napkin or sauce, say, excuse me, could I get some ketchup, please?
Or, "Could I have another fork, please?" Always start with "excuse me."
And if your food arrives and something's wrong, maybe it's cold or it's not what you ordered, you can say, excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order.
That's a polite way to fix a problem. Never shout or sound angry. Just stay calm and polite.
You can also say, I'm sorry, but I didn't order this. Or, could you please check my order?
Exactly. The waiter will usually fix it right away. Politeness goes a long way.
When your food comes, always say thank you. It's small, but important.
Yes, it's part of good manners. And when the waiter checks on you during your meal and asks, "How is everything?" you can say, "It's great, thank you," or "It's delicious."
Or if something is wrong, say, it's a bit cold, or it's a little salty. Always be honest, but kind.
That's how you sound natural and respectful.
Let's review a few useful questions you might hear. Are you ready to order? Would you like something to drink? How is your meal? Anything else?
And here are some good answers. Yes, I'm ready. Just water, please. It's great, thank you. And no, that's all for now.
Great practice phrases.
So, listeners, try repeating them out loud. Imagine you're in a restaurant.
That's a good exercise. The more you repeat them, the more confident you'll sound.
And once you finish your meal, the next step is asking for the bill. We'll talk about that in the next part.
Right. We'll show how to ask for the bill, leave a tip, and thank the staff naturally.
So, Paul, we've ordered, eaten, and now it's time for the last step, paying the bill.
Exactly. This part is super important because there are a few different ways to ask for the bill politely.
You can say, "Could I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can we get the check, please?" Both are correct.
Right. In American English, people usually say check, and in British English, they say bill.
That's a good detail to remember. And always add please. It keeps your tone polite.
When the waiter brings the bill, they might ask, "Are you paying together or separately?"
That means one person pays for everyone or each person pays their own.
You can answer, "We'll pay together," or "Separately, please."
Yes, and if you're paying by card, you can say, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you take credit cards?"
Or if you're using cash, you can say, "I'll pay in cash, please."
Sometimes, if you're ready to leave but the waiter is busy, just make eye contact and gently raise your hand. Then say, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?"
That's polite and natural. Not too loud, not too pushy.
Exactly. And after you pay, don't forget to say, "Thank you very much."
Or, "Thanks, have a great day." It's always nice to end the conversation kindly.
Let's do a short example. "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?"
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
"Can I pay by card?"
Yes, of course.
"Thank you very much."
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Perfect. That's a real conversation you could use anywhere.
Now, let's talk about tips. In many countries, it's polite to leave a tip. Extra money for good service.
Yes, in the US, people usually tip between 15 and 20%.
And in other countries, like the UK or Canada, tipping is also common, but sometimes it's already included in the bill.
If you're not sure, you can ask, "Is service included?" That's a polite way to check.
And if it isn't, you can say, "I'll leave a tip," or just hand over some extra cash with a smile.
It's also okay to say, "Keep the change," if you're paying with cash and want to leave a small tip.
Exactly. It's simple and friendly. Now, let's review everything quickly.
Sure. Step 1. Greet politely and ask for the menu.
Step 2. Use "I'd like" or "Can I have" to order.
Step 3. Listen carefully and answer questions like, "Would you like fries or salad?"
Step 4. Always say "please" and "thank you."
Step 5. When you finish, ask for the bill with, "Could I have the bill, please?" and leave a tip if needed.
That's the complete restaurant conversation in English, from start to finish.
And it's one you can practice easily at home.
Yes, you can even act it out with a friend or record yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be.
You can also try writing your own restaurant dialogue using the phrases we taught today.
That's a great exercise. Just remember to use short, polite sentences and a calm tone.
Exactly. English doesn't have to be complicated. Simple sentences are clear and powerful.
And they make you sound natural, like a real English speaker.
So, listeners, here's your challenge. Write a short dialogue about ordering food in English. Post it in the comments below.
We'd love to read your examples and maybe feature them in a future episode.
And if you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Don't forget to subscribe to Gen Z English for more fun, easy, and real English conversations every week.
Thank you for listening, and remember, the best way to learn English is to use it.
See you next time, everyone.